All right, so I need to fill my tire up a little bit more, and I'm going to use my little inflator. First thing I got to do is turn it on, and it comes on. So it's showing 40 pounds. I've got it looks like 2 bars, so I've got I've got enough power in here to do it. What I've got to do is attach it here, which is usually pretty simple. Let me just set this somewhere where I won't lose it. There we go. All right, now we just got to get this on there. And what I usually do is get it like this. All right, so now I just got to kind of, I'm turning it towards me. You can see how my fingers are moving. I'm going to hear it hissing. But I want to get it on tight. And once I get it on there, this little doohickey is going to tell me how many pounds I have. I only got 23 pounds in there. That's not enough. So let's go ahead and turn her on. And you can see as it fills up, 26, 27, 28, 'I think I'm only going to go to 35. And then I just set her down like that. And now we just got to twist this off, but you want to twist it off fast. Follow me? So you don't lose a lot of air. And it comes off pretty quick. And then if you're done with it, all you got to do is press this and hold it, and it will turn off. And bam, we just filled up our Electra super bike, and now we can go to the beach. And I'm just going to put this right back up here where she belongs with all of my other inflating and charging and electrical stuff. All right, let's get this back on here. So now I should be good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.